Hey, how's everyone doing? This is my first time learning Unity, and basically trying to learn game development from scratch. I really don't know anything about C Sharp, like very little from what I've learned so far from the Learn Unity platform. Uh, but this is my very first like project, legit, raw. This is no filters, my very first project. And I decided since I'm going to be working also on game development while I'm currently working on a project of mine, building a website in my free time. I thought I'd also get into the journey of building games. So this is my very first, uh, I guess, game. I don't even know if you'd call it a game, but my very first scene in Unity. So I'll go ahead and hit play. And this is basically just a project off of the Learn Unity platform. It's basically make the ground hot lava and just make, I guess, interactions with your ball rolling down and all that type of stuff. So, I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, this is nothing, just a ball rolling down a hill. As you can see, I added particles to the ball to make it look like it's on fire. And I got that from Unity Asset Store. I forget the name of the specific asset, but that's where I got it from. And basically what I did is I lit the fire for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, as you can see, the fire went away. And basically the goal is for this ball to try to break down this loose brick wall, but as you can tell, nothing happened. The way I was able to get that fire on the ball as it rolls down is I made it a child of the sphere, so it's always attached to the sphere. And yeah, and the brick wall, I didn't make that from scratch. I got that as a asset as well in the Unity asset store. And yeah, it's called a easy destructible wall for the brick wall. I made a script for the ball, and basically what I made the script for is as the ball rotates or goes downhill, increase the rotation by 5 in the x-axis, 5 in the y-axis, and 5 in the z-axis. But I mean, that's about it. Just something simple, a ball going down a hill and hitting a brick wall trying to destroy it. So yeah, this is my very first dev vlog. I just wanted to show you where I come from when making games, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sticking with this for a while. So yeah, this is my very first video. Thank you.